We are back at Lucky Bamboo, which is where I got my tattoo back in October. We'll be back. Oh, here we go. Ah! She didn't even do it yet. Sorry. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, it's a little more intense now. Okay. That's not my favorite. I'll tell you that much.
Is that a video?
Yeah.
Did you get a little scream on there?
Yep, I did. I started before you ever turned it on.
This is actually just about as much as... Ow.
Just about as much as what?
Pardon?
Just about as much as what?
I was expecting if you said it's not as bad, but yeah, it's just as bad. There's no meat down there, it's all muscle. Choose a different place next time.
My ass?
Don't move. I'd rather have you laughing than crying.
Not a bottlenose, it's like a cap.
This is a rare breed of dolphin.
I'm paying tribute to this rare breed of dolphin. Oh, that's
The only one that will exist is on your leg.
how fun. This is awesome. I'm gonna get another one next week. Okay. I'm squishing her hand to my face and it hurts.
It's okay, she punched it earlier.
It was a gentle punch.
No.
Here!
No, it
Was
wasn't.
it not? I'm so sorry.
You're good. You need to... So, we're done. And now we're at lunch at Subway. How long did it take, Marie?
12 minutes.
Let's see it. Yay!
Ready.
It's really cute. I actually really like it.
Thank you. I'm gonna have it for a while, so
Ever?
I'm glad you like it. I love it.
So how is the pain?
It's just about as much as I expected. Not as bad, I don't think so. It's just as bad.
Do you think you want to get another one?
Yeah, probably.
Yay! I'm so proud of you!
Hey, Derka. Thanks for letting me squeeze your handsies and punch them. It's stinging a little bit, but I think that's about it.
Yay!